This your man, Rashad Richard, the realest man on radio. The new year is just around the corner, and it's time to update your paper game. Yep, paper game. Did you know the average salary of a project manager with a project manager certification is $112,000? That's according to the Project Management Institute. By 2027, employers will need to fill nearly 90 million project management-related roles, according to the Project Management Institute. Give yourself a significant pay raise and secure your family's future by getting your project management certification in less than 90 days. The PMP certification is recognized all over the world. I wouldn't come to you with anything less. Get your project management certification and the skills to get paid now. Act now and let PM Preview, the experts in project management, help you obtain your PMP before the exam changes. The change happens March 2018. Go to pmpreview.com, pmpreview.com, and tell them the realest man in radio sent you.